Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer conversation skills with Speaky, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, download the Speaky app from your app store. Once installed, open the app and create an account. Fill in your profile information, including your native language and the languages you want to practice. Next, explore the settings to customize your preferences. Choose your language level to connect with suitable partners. Now, navigate to the search feature to find conversation partners. Use filters to specify the language, location, or interests of potential partners. Once you find someone you'd like to talk to, send a connection request. Wait for the other person to accept your request. After acceptance, you can start a conversation via text, voice, or video. When conversing, focus on using the target language as much as possible. Don't hesitate to ask your partner for corrections or clarifications. Utilize the app's instant translation feature for assistance. Set specific goals for each session, like practicing certain vocabulary or grammar. After each conversation, leave feedback for your partner to help improve their skills as well. Regularly schedule conversations to maintain consistency in your learning. Track your progress within the app to see how your skills evolve over time. Engage in group discussions for a more dynamic learning experience. Explore the community section for additional resources and tips. Continue to challenge yourself with new topics and activities. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep conversing regularly. This is how you can effectively use Speaky to enhance your conversation skills. Enjoy your language learning journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.